film nobody else. Chat, we're in the library. We got 30 minutes. Chat, are you telling me this doesn't work? I'm in the library right now. Bro, by the grace of God, I'm going to be in some nice warm weather doing this on the beach or something, bro. I don't know. But I'm not trying to do this at freaking community. Chat, bro, let's get into this, bro. I overslept. I'm not going to lie, I overslept. I missed a banger trade, 1 to 1.56, but look, let's just go over it quick and jump in. Chat, I don't know if y'all could. I just realized that my face cam was blocking that whole recording. So let's like jump back into this. I really hope that this 5 minute. All right, boom. I mean, let's just jump right into this. Now we have a little bit more time. We're in the trade on a horrible entry, 0.19. But we want to see it tag this green box 5 minute, and we're going to hit a re entry. But chat, let's get into this. First of all, bro, what is going on? Price action is going crazy right now. $400 jumps. First of all, I missed the best trade. I probably shouldn't even be in this trade. It's a good reversal trade, to be honest, though. It is actually a good reversal trade. We sweep out like the main draw. It's actually a very good reversal trade. Boom. Price action opens. What is this? London highs. Sweep London highs. Scale in. 5 minute. 5 minute. Move down, move up. This is the break of structure. 7 to 705 right here. We're looking at right in there. 1 minute. Boom. We see this fair value gap made on the break of structure. 1 minute, we see the fair value gap get tapped. Sells come out. Boom, right there. Now, where are we targeting? Low resistance liquidity. Boom, right here. 15-minute lows. What happens? We tag the 15-minute lows. We're seeing reversals off. This is where we took it off. But look at that first trade. That first trade was perfect. Sweep of liquidity. Bullish order flow getting disrespected. Bearish order flow getting respected. Low resistance liquidity sweep. I mean, that was just a beautiful trade. I could see how I'm getting better. But you want to know something? Shout out TJR. You see, it was also an hourly low. We swiped the hourly low, and look, we're reversing up. We see it a little bit on this candle, and now we're getting a green move up. Also, we have this fair value gap right here. Being these 3 candles, the start is right here. We see it tag a little bit and then run back up. So that's why I took it, because it's, you know, it could easily reverse, and I'm looking to take out 5-minute highs. These 5-minute highs, realistically, maybe these, but I would like to see this 5-minute fair value gap come in and get respected and then move up. If it gets inversed, it was a bad reversal trade. If not, you know, who knows. But chat, that was it. Man, bro, shout out, man, my alarm, bro, fudge. Like, why does my alarm never go off? Yo, someone drop a good, like, I need a digital alarm clock. Come on, bro. Tag this fair value gap so I can get a re-entry. It might be a little over leveraged, but what am I in for? 820? Let's start the week off with a banger. Nope, definitely don't want 2.5 million. Let's do like, yeah, 250. Yeah, it's not bad. I would like to see it. It looks like it's gonna. It might not come back, but we had this. Oh, but did I show the confluence for this one? Yeah. Well, anyways, we had this. We'll come back to this. Oh, okay. Boom. If it doesn't want to tag it, I did have an entry. It's a top tick entry, but hey, for whatever. I'm pretty sure it's gonna come back in here though. To be honest, move up, move down. We swipe out that big liquidity. We see it push in, and then we're getting sells coming after this, coming after the high time frame sweep. Boom, right here, move up, move down, 5 minute, break of structure. We leave behind this 5 minute fair value gap. This green box is a 5 minute fair value gap. I didn't wait for that. I jumped in right here. We break structure at 8 o'clock, somewhere within 8 o'clock. 1 minute. 1 minute fair value gap. Boom. 1 minute fair value gap. Boom. Oh my god. 1 minute right here. This is what we entered off of. This right here on the break of structure. 1 minute fair value gap. Boom. We see entered right here. We entered on this candle close right here. We enter on this candle close right here. Tag the fair value gap. We entered right here. And our fill literally just gets pushed all the way up here. So, like, in reality, we should be right there, I guess, when it's 2.7. But, like, I don't know why it always feels, like, so high. Yeah, I mean, I was trying to get my fill right here. right? Yeah. And in reality, I'm hoping it comes in and tags this 5 minute, but it doesn't look like it is. So that's our entry. We'll let you know what happens. I'm probably going to target this one and take the win with the bad RR. Plus, it's in a definite relative downtrend. I mean, I really would. I don't really want to target. We have this. Is this a fair value gap right here? Fair value gap. Yeah, and it's good push into this fair value gap. So we're going to target that, and then I'll let y'all know. If it taps back into the 5 minute, I'll let y'all know. Shout out, bro. Shout out TJR's new 5-hour video. Bro, I feel like way more equipped. I was literally binge watching. Shout out that new 5-hour video, bro. I was binge watching that whole video. The strategy, high time frame, sweeps. Bro, if you haven't watched, bro, shout out TJR. Go watch that video. Already, just right now, I feel way more equipped. I felt way better taking trades off the 1 minute. Bro, what a great video. Everyone go watch that, and you'll see, you know, basically what I'm doing, but on Forex with like a Forex spin. So, all right, y'all. Reversal. Reversals. Where you at? Where you at? Wake up. It's March 10th. I don't know why that song's in my head. Chat. Good reversal trade. Bang. Take profits smacks in 15 minutes. Not one down candle neither. Relative no sweat. I'm not even going to try and catch another because this was the main move. This was a little tiny reversal that I got this move off of, and I'm not even going to try and catch the lower low. I don't even want to. I don't want to. So we're not going to. I'll take my 1,000. I literally overslept like crazy. Chat, let's literally just get into the strategy. I'm trying to show y'all this. This literally works, bro. Shout out TJR. Shout out, you know, my own brain a little bit for kind of configuring it a little bit, but Forex strat mixed with some new stuff, new video. Go check that out, man. It was a good video. You know, I'm not trying to steal nothing. Yeah, good trade though. I really thought I was cooked after I missed this chat. Let's just get into it so we don't have a long video. Boom. London session highs right here. 30-minute London session highs. Boom, sweeped out. Boom, quick. Now we're in 5 minute. Let me know if y'all want an in-depth strategy video. Drop it right now if you want an in-depth strategy video. If you want the updated strategy video, let me know. We got to work on some other stuff too. Let me know if y'all want more different trading content. Drop it in the comments. Come on. We got then, boom, push down 7 o'clock. You saw me go over this. There was a 1 minute entry right here. We saw the 1 minute. Let's just jump into it. 1 minute. 1 minute for value gap. Push in, push out. Boom, target this hourly low. There was a 15-minute and an hourly low. Wherever the bottom of this is, there was a 15-minute, and I think it was this right here. Boom, what do? We sweep this out. Also, what do? This is an hourly low as well. Yeah, it was targeted right here. Take profit was right down here at the hourly low. Boom. Also, you swipe over a little bit up to the left. What is this? Why can I not zoom out, please? Boom, we see a tag. This hourly fair value gap. Boom, it tags it. You see reversals out. Now, this is where I took the other one. The reversal trade for longs. I ended up getting the one and only place where you could have entered because it never came back to the 5 minute. Boom, we see a move up, move down, break of 5 minute structure. We're looking at 755, 1 minute. What do we see right here? 1 minute for value gap. What do we see? Red is the 1 minute. Green is the 5 minute. It never came to the 5 minute. We see this 1 minute for value gap touch, bust. 1 minute for value gap. We see this 1 minute for value gap. We tap in. We push out. Boom. We entered right here. And right here, we actually got filled a little bit higher. That was basically a 1-to-1. It was a little bit worse, actually. Probably. I think it was like right at 1-to-1. Yeah, it was basically a 1-to-1. And I didn't want anything more than that because it was a reversal trade after the big move already. Stops below the fair value gap, the 1 minute fair value gap. The first candle that made the 1 minute fair value gap. I could have put it right here a little bit. Whatever. Boom. What are we targeting? It was a reversal. I was kind of scared. I didn't know what to target. Wow, I could have had a lot more. Nah, not really. We'll see what happens. But I just targeted these low resistance highs right here. Boom. This is also a 15-minute fair value gap, I believe. Yeah, we have this 15-minute fair value gap. So price wanted to touch in and reverse off this. I didn't know. I didn't want it set to take profits. It was a reversal trade. Boom. We tag it. All right, let's show. I'll edit it. Boom. Last trade. 1.1K. Boom. We're now only down 710. But to be honest, last week I was trading horribly. I had no, no risk management, no psychology. But hey, chat, man, I really, you know why I think I won this trade? Not, but it's just about, I'm kind of rambling here, but I think I won that first week, man. I was really just like, I was set in my ways. Like, all right, I won all last week, first profitable week, up 3%. And then to have the week I did last week to lose 5% was like, awakening. I realized, like I'm not being as disciplined as I should, not even in trading, but in life. I got to do different things, be in the gym more, eat better, certain things like that. It just translates, everything translates. Small wins become big wins. How you do one thing is how you do everything. I'm thankful. I got to get in I'm getting in the word more. I'm trying to journal more, just get better and better and better. Just continue to learn, praise God in the midst of it, man. I think I had a nice breakthrough this weekend. I hope I can get my psychology, like a good, not aha moment, but like a, okay, it's possible kind of thing, just continue to, get better and better and better day in and day out. That's all you can do. All right, chat. Let's hope, this is a good start of something. We take better trades and, we learn, we're getting a little bit better. So let me know, y'all. Dang, chat. I could have probably targeted these 5-minute highs too. What was this? I could have left to take profits this 5-minute high. I really didn't want to, but dang. Let's see if that hits. All right, chat. Yeah, blessings on blessings on blessings. Thank you, God. What, continue to read. Hey, everyone. Yeah, actually, I've just been reading 1 Corinthians, yo. Let me see if this hits. We'll give it like a couple minutes. Yo, I like 1 Corinthians. That's a good Oh, no, let's not curse. It's a good book. I actually have enjoyed reading that one. Shout out 1 Corinthians. Everyone go read. Everyone will get in the Word today. Dude, try and read. Learn something new today. Everyone, you got homework today. Everyone just learn something new. If it's a skill, if you got to learn how to use chopsticks, that's a good one. I might do that. Everyone, go learn a new skill. Learn something new. Learn a new word in French. I'm going to do that. I'm going to come back with the French word of the day. All right, y'all. Let's get out of here. Good. Back in the win column. Start the week right. For our next class, bro, we're filling the library and freaking community college, bro. 2 years. If it's God's will, we're not at community college in the library. Let's just say that. We want some bigger and better things. If it's God's will. Always. All glory to God. Let's go over this trade I missed. I'm trying to whisper, bro, but I gotta talk a little bit louder. We gotta go over this trade, bro. This GU trade. I just wanted to go over this because this is the perfect example of the Forex strat, high time frame liquidity sweep strat. I'm telling you right now, if you see this and you're like tweaking, where's mine? All right, chat, let's go over this. Are we recording that? All right. Chat, if you see it, you're literally going to be profitable in 2025. Let's go over this right now. Starting with our Forex strat. This is a perfect example. I'm going over this. This is a trade I would have taken, but I didn't have. I was literally Apple. It's Apple's fault, bro. Tim Cook, lock in. You see me? I'm filming this on my MacBook. Lock in. People are going to be looking at me like, why am I screaming at my laptop? But look at this. All right, yo, Apple, you need to fix your alarm system. I'm about to get Android. No, I'm not. Anyways, unless they want to sponsor me. Samsung, sponsor me. All right, let's go into this. Asian session, London session, New York session. Chat, what do we see right here? What do we see on this red line? This is Asian session highs, 30-minute highs. What else is it? Just like our normal strategy, not Forex strat, it's an hourly high. What happens? It's a liquidity sweep. On the Forex strat, it just gives us a little bit more, parameters that this is Asian session high. Boom, boom, boom. I'm not saying that really. All right, bro. Give me focus here. God, this would have made you 7 bands. All right, boom. Look at this. Ready? Lock in. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. Asian session highs. We see London session. What does London session do? Nothing. Lows. Where does New York open right here? Boom. We see this big candle up right in New York open. I'm like, okay, boom. We probably are seeking these Asian highs. What happens? We come up in here, wick these Asian highs. What happens? Price slams to the downside. And we're going to go over why it's stopping and stopping right where it's at. Boom. Liquidity sweep. Now let's go into the 5-minute. Look at how easy this was, chat. Boom. 5-minute, we see it push in. It fully takes it out right here. Boom. 6:15. New York market open right around here. 6:25. This is right when market opens. This is the first candle of New York, like full stock market open. When's the macro? 6:50 to 7:10, chat. Look at this. We now have a 5-minute breaker structure. So we sweep high time frame liquidity sweep within our Forex strat. 30-minute sweep. Boom. Also an hourly high. Boom. We sweep it. What do? Break structure on the 5-minute to the downside. Now what are we doing? We're scrolling in for 1-minute confluences. We're trying to confirm bearish order flow. We want to see bearish order flow get confirmed. First of all, let's just get rid of this. Chat, what do we see? I already have it marked. What do we see? We break 5-minute structure. Hold up. Let's get this exactly right. We break 5-minute structure at 6:45 to 6:50. So that candle closes at 6:50. So like after 6:50, we're scaling in. Where am I at? Am I too far? No, right here. Boom. Right here. Boom. Let's see. Look at this. So after 6:50, so then boom. Look at what happens here. This is all this 6:45 candle, right? Boom. So we get the structure break. We're in bearish order flow on the 1-minute. What do? Fair value gap right here. What happens right here? 6:49 to 6:50. Boom. Same thing. On the 1-minute, this candle right here is a 5-minute break. This is the end. This is when the 5-minute candle closes for the breaker structure. And on the 1-minute, we have confluence to take shorts. So boom, right here, you'll see, look. So this candle closes right where the 5-minute opens. Boom, you could have your stops. You're taking it off this 1-minute fair value gap, but to be honest, you could have your stops above the start of this fair value gap or like these highs, or I honestly would maybe put it right in here. Let's just say we put it right in here just because this is like the start of another fair value gap. It might want to come up into this one just a little bit. You could just put it above the highs, but we'll just put it right here for it to be safe. Boom. 1-minute. Let's see. So this, we would take it when this candle closes 6:49 to 6:50. This one closes at 6:50, right? Boom. Chat, it's this one. It's this 6:45 to 6:50 candle that breaks 5-minute structure. Boom. You're in. Chat, tell me this doesn't work. What are we targeting? Come on. Speak up in the back. You, right there, Gerald. Gerald, I'm talking to you. What are we targeting? Low resistance liquidity. To be honest, your first take profit could literally be this 15-minute low. It could literally be this 15-minute low. 1 to 4 RR. Literally could. If you don't want to have that, now look, you could have had this. We have this respected hourly bullish fair value gap you see right here. Boom. You could have just targeted right here. 1 to 3, right? If you really wanted to be safe, you're taking the trade off the 1-minute. Look at like these are like equal lows, 5-minute equal lows, like relative equal lows right in here. You could have just put it right here, and then this is a 15-minute low, so you could have just take profit 1 to 2, like. But in reality, if you're following the strategy and you're just this was literally a goated trade. I mean, this was literally perfect. All right, let me chill, bro. I mean, you really should have. You're taking it off the 5-minute. It never comes back and pushes into this. It leaves behind a 5-minute fair value gap. It never comes back into it. It breaks away fast because it touched the 1-minute fair value gap. This was kind of like you had to have a good entry to get in on this one, to be honest. I wasn't awake. I'm just going over this. I saw it in class. I'm like, bro, I got to share this with the YouTube. But to be honest, like me personally, yeah, I probably would just put my take profit right here. I mean, it's a 15-minute low. You tag into the hourly fair value gap, but then look, go based off the strat. What's the strat? going to make a strategy video. Session highs and session lows are respected. They typically play off session highs and session lows in Forex, right? This is why I like Forex a little bit more than indices, but I'm taking an indice strategy and this is a part of the industry strategy. Shout out TJR. And it's working beautifully. But chat, look. So your take profit one could have been that low resistance liquidity, right? Boom. Move stops to break even. 1 to 4 RR. Perfect. Chat, your next take profit is London lows. You're running it to London lows. It's a 1 to 8 take profit. You know? That's what it should be. Respectfully, you're slamming. Like you're cooking that. Chat, and look at this. Did I just move something? No. Chat, look at this. We have previous London lows. Move down, then move up. This is all in London. You could have had another take profit right here. 9. But I mean, I probably would have my final take profit right here on these London lows. Be college in the library. But I'm thankful for the position I'm in right now. It's teaching me a lot. I'm learning, I'm learning a lot right now. It's a blessing in disguise. And we just gotta continue to learn. Chat. I just wanted to go over this trade real quick. We're done. But you could see, what do I talk about? Scaling. Let me come back in the camera. Chat. What do I talk about? I'm talking about scaling up and down. You see the 30-minute high time frame liquidity sweep. Then what? 5-minute break of structure. Then what? Confirmation confluence or continuation confluence. You want to see fair value gap, equilibrium, breaker block, order block, something to show that your brain is telling you, okay, I'm correct, right? You got to react, Think. Chat, we're getting there. This is a good day. We're learning. I did win the trade. We already showed this. I'm going to show this after the recap. We already won a band today on a reversal after we woke up late. But chat, let's just continue to get better, continue to learn, continue to grow. The seed, the fruit, the vine, the soil. Let's try and gain some wisdom, understanding. Let's become fools so we can become wise. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know everything. Obviously, if I knew everything, I wouldn't be sitting behind freaking, what is this, Edgar Allan Poe, Dr. Seuss library. All right, bro. It's good. It's good motivation. We're good. Everybody, this is just further proof. I know it's just one trade, but go back and back test this. High time frame liquidity sweep breaks the structure. Continuation confluence. Just go back and test it yourself. 5 people want me. All right, I'm out of here.